Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. Um, I have a gift card from Zara, which I haven't used it since Christmas. So I went ahead online and see what they got. So pretty much I end up looking at under purses. So I end up buying this knotted mini bag and also a sort of like a PVC see-through bag. So here it is. So I purchased two. So let's open it. So let's open the first package. So this is a knotted mini seated bag. Look at how gorgeous the color is. This one is in red. Wow, it's amazing that this color is so vibrant. Oh my goodness, look. That's the front side, like the corner, the back. And this one actually retails, I paid $29.90. And it is so cute. Oh, wow. The color. I mean, for $30, this doesn't look like $30 though. Looks like, I mean, the leather is so shiny. The color is vibrant. Just at a glance, and the stitching is not that bad for $30. Seriously? Wow. And also the size is, yeah, this is a mini bag, so it seems to look like it's perfect for the size is perfect for what I was looking for. Yeah, it's lightweight. So that's how it looks like. Let's take out some other stuffing. Okay. Oh, it has a strap. Okay, this one is a strap. Oh, the strap is actually really soft. Oh my goodness. Look at the strap, guys. The strap actually, the corner, you see the glazing? It's actually very well done. That's pretty amazing. It's very smooth. That's pretty amazing. For $30, seriously. And also, this one comes in a gold hardware. Yeah, this gold hardware. Let's try the zipper arm. Oh, smooth. That's what it looks like inside. There's no pocket inside. Yeah, and the inside is actually, the inside lining is leather. I assume this one is leather. Yeah, but it's like it's just made of a really high quality material though. I mean, just by looking at it, you can, no, it's like there's no way this is $30. Seriously. Oh, that's really cute, and it's cute, and it's lovely. The color is vibrant. So this one, this is the detailing. Looks like a knot. That's the detailing right in front. That's the side. And then the other side as well. And pretty much, yeah. You can wear this one as a crossbody as well. It's adjustable. And it's a perfect size. That's a perfect size. So, so the detailing right at the bottom is nice. Oh, but look at the bottom. It's so funny. Did you guys see that at the corner? Look at the wear on the hardware. Oh my goodness, the hardware fading. seriously. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, that's the only, I think they gave me a used item because I'm actually seeing some hair in the inside. I'm seeing some sort of, yeah, this probably is used. So there were some scratches. Oh, that's awful though. Yeah, that's too bad. Yeah, I can already tell, maybe because this was not wrapped in a bag or something. They just put it in the dust bag and then that's it. But as far as like, yeah, there is a stain right at the bottom on this corner. Yeah, pretty much this one is used. But, well, what do you expect for $30? Actually, the only reason I got this one is because I really wanted to spend my Zara gift card. And also, I am actually in a hunt for nano or micro purse. And I found this one. I found this one to be so cute. And I know that, I don't, there's no reason to discredit the company Zara just because of all the issues that they have here that they send me. But well, I mean, I don't know, it's just I'm expecting to get something like, that is actually wrapped in a, I don't know, it's just so hard to explain how. I mean, I just kept looking. I can't see, the stitching is really nice though. This is actually very well made bag. But the only problem is that this one is like, they shouldn't have just put the hardware here, the feet, if that's the case, because yeah, so too bad. I got a used item. I mean, for $30, there's no reason to complain. But as far as like looking at the inside, yes, this is a return and somebody already used this one. And I don't know why Zara are selling those items that already been used. But overall, this is such a cute bag. It is a good quality. I mean, just by looking at it, the structure, the stitching, I mean, it's just, you can't tell that this is $30 actually. And I like that there's no branding. They didn't put any like logo or stamp or anything like that. But yeah, just too bad. I was just so disappointed with just at the feet and some sort of like scratches and staining right in the inside the bag, because the inside is actually it's the same leather as the outside. So yeah, that's very disappointing. Well, anyway, let me check the other one, the one that's made up of PVC, and that is gorgeous. When I saw that one online, I think I said, oh, this is like a perfect mini bag, and also I think it's gorgeous. So let me open the other one. So let's open the other one. And this one is, they call this one in a vinyl buckle mini city bag. And this is how it looks like. And this is in color blue. So the reason why I got this one, because this is transparent, and in summer, transparent bag are such a perfect purse, perfect bag to use. And yes, look at that. It's a very well structured bag. And it's mini though. It's a miniature bag. It's PVC. So let's just open the bag and see how it looks inside. Well, you could see through it. So this one has the cross as a chain. So this is the leather, and then the chain as well. The chain is actually a good addition to it. Okay, so, oh, look at that. So they have a branding inside shows. They have the logo there embossed. It says Zara. That is nice. And wow, look at this vinyl PVC. Oh, it has a nice closure too. It's magnetic. So I love the top handle. I love that you can't put it in your arms. Oh, you can, but it's tight though. So let me just, oh, you can just carry it like this. I think that's gorgeous, just like that, which is my favorite feature in the bag is the top handle. So this is how it looks like on the side, at the back. On the side, I think this retails as $39.90 and it's $40. So, okay, let's just take a look at the detail of the bag. The detailing right in front on the flap is actually beautiful, guys. Look at the detailing. Look at the detail of the stitching on the bag. It's so beautiful. For $40, oh my goodness, look at that. On the side, close up look at the bottom. Wow, very well structured though. And look, just take a look at the corner. It has glazing right here at the corner. That's not bad. It's actually well done though. It's well done. And the stitching at the bottom is also lovely. Oh, wow. So, okay. So right here, the only thing that the top handle is also nice as well. Only problem that I have with this bag, just by looking at it, it's like, I'm not sure if this is the piping, I guess. Yeah. It's a little bit off right here. See? Right here, there is a gap right between the corner. And so it's not even. Here is closer, and this one, there's a gap. I don't know if you guys could see that. And also, let's just take a look at the front. Yeah, this one is actually has a wider gap than the other side. And also at the flap. This one here is even worse. It's even worse on this side. This one has a larger gap compared to the other one. So that's the only downside for that. But then again, you're paying $40 for this, you know. But overall, I don't know. This is a really cute bag, I must say. This is such a really, really cute bag though. For the price that you paid for, if you want something that is vinyl, something that's a clear bag, this is actually cute. Very classy looking. So let me just try to put what fits inside in this little cute mini city bag. To put some of my SLGs inside. So this is how it looks like. So I have my phone. This is an XR. So XR would fit inside. My key holder, my card case, and pretty much like a, yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much. Yeah, it's up to you. It's really up to you how much you wanted to carry in this purse. But this is a mini, so what I have inside is a card holder. So the Chanel card holder would fit inside. So I have the phone. This is an XR. I have the key holder. This is from Louis Vuitton. This is a 4 key holder. and a key clay as well from Louis Vuitton that would fit. And yeah, I think that's just probably what you needed, you know, for the mini. Oh, look at that one. It's already oh my goodness, what happened? What just happened? Okay, did I put it the correct? Oh wow. Oh, what happened here? Okay, so this one would twist. So okay, you're just gonna have to straighten it up when you do that. So open it and then close it just like that. Yeah, for $40, yeah, you have a bag. And it's really cute though. It is so cute. So let me just try to put this one on and see how it looks on me. So that's how it looks like. See the bag? That's cute. This is the PVC. Overall, I think the red is so beautiful. The color is so vibrant. It's even prettier in person. But the problem is that they sent me a used one. And yeah, the bottom is defective. I mean, the feet of the bag. But also, this one is such a gorgeous, gorgeous structure. That's what I like about it. But the only problem is that well, yeah, so the indentation right over here is crazy. Right now, would I recommend it? As far as if you're looking for a mini bag, yes, but don't expect too much for the quality of the bag, of course, because this is $40. And I have already showed earlier that, you know, the little bit of like flaws on the bag itself. And I think it's a nice and a really cute structure. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!